I'm Jason. If you've been looking for more space, more function, and room to grow, then this is the house for you. Located in beautiful Santa Maria, this spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bath home has just under 2,000 square feet of living space, a rare oversized 3-car garage, and a landscaped backyard sitting on a corner lot. You have a formal living room, a dedicated dining room, perfect for hosting, entertaining, or just relaxing. The floor plan offers flexibility with distinct spaces for gathering, dining, and relaxing. Downstairs also includes a full bedroom and bathroom. And this is where it all comes together. A large kitchen, a casual breakfast area, and a cozy living area, all flowing seamlessly with direct access to the backyard. Whether it's weekend barbecues or a quiet night in, this open concept layout makes it easy to live and entertain comfortably. Upstairs, the primary suite offers peace and privacy with a generous walk-in closet, soaking tub, dual vanities, and a separate shower. Plus 2 more bedrooms and another full bath round out the upper level, giving everyone their own space. And this backyard has plenty of fruit trees, mature avocado trees, plenty of room to garden, play, or just relax. This home in Santa Maria delivers comfort, layout, and flexibility. At this price point, almost impossible to find. So call me, DM me, or send a carrier pigeon, and let's make your California dreams come true.